Hi everybody, back here EMD Automotive. Just want to show you what I'm doing today. This Porsche 997 came in and see the buttons for the AC, that one there and that one there. The paint was coming off and you can see a patch of white marks here. It just looks wrong, so I took it out and actually repaired this new coat of paint in that one there on the switches, that one and that one there, and see how it looks really nice now compared to before. Before it was really hard to see. Before it was just pretty much a there's no paint there on this side here, but that one was the worst one on here. So I got a new knobs from Porsche to put in the car for the radio. So if you have one of these, you can send it to me. I can get it sorted for you, or you can actually just come past and I'll book it in. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.